In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add work experience in LinkedIn. If you want your LinkedIn profile to look more complete and professional, adding your work experience is one of the most important things you can do. It helps other people understand your background, your skills, and the type of work you've done. Whether you're updating your current role or adding a past position, LinkedIn makes the process pretty straightforward once you know where to click. To get started, go to your LinkedIn homepage and look at the top of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there. Click on that to open the menu and then choose View Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can edit the information that other people see. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you find the Experience section. This is the part of your profile where your work history appears. In the top right corner of that section, click the plus icon, which is the Add button. When the options appear, select Add Position. Now LinkedIn will open a form where you can enter the details of your job. Start by filling in your job title. Make sure this matches the role you held, since clear titles make your profile easier to understand. Next, enter the company name. As you type, LinkedIn may suggest company pages, so if the correct one appears, you can select it to connect your role to that business. After that, enter your employment dates. This helps show the timeline of your experience and gives your profile more structure. Take a moment to double-check that the month and year are accurate before moving on. Once you've filled out the key information, review everything to make sure it looks correct. A small typo or wrong date can make your profile seem less polished, so it's worth taking an extra few seconds here. When you're happy with the details, click Save. Your new position will then appear in the Experience section of your profile. That's it, you've successfully added work experience to LinkedIn. Keeping this section updated is a simple but powerful way to maintain a strong professional presence online. If you've had multiple roles, you can repeat the same process for each one so your profile tells a clear story of your career journey.